Making brannock, the archetypal pioneer bread, and extremely simple to make. Start off with 6 cups of flour. This mug is about 2 cups worth. Rough and ready, pioneer measurements.
That's 3.
Yeah, so that's about 6 cups worth in there. Well, there's English cups and American cups, which are different.
So, but we've got top of the woods cups. So
Top of the woods cups.
The top of the woods cups is 3.
Defeated by technology. How'd you get into this one? Oh, there we go. Right. About half a teaspoonful of bicarb. Don't let it all blow away. Teaspoon of sugar. And about a teaspoon of salt. That should be plenty. Dry mix all those together. Very similar to mixing cement. The results should be different though. And then
You create a little hole for the liquids, do you?
makes it easier to estimate how much you put in. About tablespoon's worth of buttermilk, if you're using buttermilk. The buttermilk gives the mix a bit of richness. You can use oil or butter or margarine. Reasonably evenly mixed. It's time to add your water. Add the water a little at a time so that you never get it too wet.
Just getting up close, you can see what the consistency is. So what are you looking for in terms of consistency, John?
Consistency, roughly plasticine.
Okay.
So it's all sticking together but isn't too sloppy. Will hold the shape quite well. Yeah. Play-Doh plasticine.
Consistency.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're going to sort of make this with different, could you add like different flavours in it and stuff like that?
Yeah, and this is the kind of stage you could add grated cheese. I like a mixture of Parmesan and cheddar, or seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds.
That sounds nice.
Go nicely. Herbs, various sorts. And good time to play and experiment, see what works for you.
think I'll tell you what would be quite nice is cheese and chives.
Oh yes, cheese and chives sounds good.
That sounds good, doesn't it?
Always a good combination. And chopped red onion makes nice onion bread.
That's interesting, yeah. John once made tomato bread, which was quite yummy.
Sun-dried tomatoes, yeah.
The thing is, just once you know what the basic recipe is, you can do whatever you want with it, really,
Yeah.
can't you? Once you've learned that bit.
Play day, yeah.
I see you're resisting getting your hands in. That's my favourite bit.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I love doing that bit.
Right, we're not far off now. That's when I'll get my hands in. Out in the woods, I'd use a peeled stick instead of a spoon.
Would you?
Yeah.
What's that peeled stick going to give you? Oh, you mean to stir it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you meant to cook with it.
No.
Thought doing like little breadsticks or something, bread kebab thing.
Oh, twist. Yeah, you can cook this like twist. Instead of putting the dough into a pan, just wrap it like a snake around a peeled stick. Best kind of size stick is about the diameter of a good sausage, and twist it round, hold it over the flames or embers so it's just slowly browning on the outside, and when it's cooked it becomes free to move down the stick. And you take it off the stick and shove a sausage down the middle.
Oh, God, that sounds great. So you could do it's basically like a sausage roll.
Yeah. Or you can...
I'll have to do that one next time.
You can fill it with jam or whatever.
I like the sausage roll bit.
Right, we're going to be doing this. You use the same method if you're using a griddle or a bake stone. And rather than oil the pan, I prefer to flour the pan. And I'll just leave that to look after itself for a moment.